Soiga. It is a 16th century Latin book of magic, also known as Book That Kills, believed to be lost forever until 2 manuscripts were found in British Library in 1990. It is written in coded grids of letters. One of the manuscripts was owned by famous scholar John Dee. Dee was unable to figure out several tables contained in the book, and once attempted to talk to angels for help figuring the book out via Edward Kelly, a medium who purported to channel them. Anyone who figures out these coded letters is fated to die within 2.5 years. Tomino's Hell. It is a Japanese poem that featured in a book in 1919. The poem is written about a young boy, Tomino, who is grieving about his family. It has now taken the course of form of curse of his suffering. It should only be read in mind, and who dares to read it aloud, their soul will be put in the darkest corners of hell. Necronomicon, also referred to as Book of the Dead. It contains information on how to raise the dead. It was first mentioned in Lovecraft's 1924 short story The Hound. Written in 1922, though its purported author, the mad Arab Abdul al-Zaraid, it features a nightmarish creature that could make your mind illusioned. Although considered to be fictitious, it has a huge cult following. Grimoire. Grimoires are spell-bound witch books. 2 handwritten books of spell, spiral-bound, were sold in a site for $13,865. The opening page of one of the grimoires is inscribed with warning. To those not of the craft, the reading of this book is forbidden. Proceed no further, or justice will exact a swift and terrible retribution, and you will surely suffer at the hands of the craft. The same warning is then inscribed again in Theban, an ancient alphabet used in modern Wicca to hide magical text from those not believing in witchcraft. The book includes information on gems, planets, rites, potions, and even exorcisms. The other book includes alchemy, chemistry, recipes, cure ceremonial perfumes and balms. The Orphan Story. This book was written in the early 1600s by a monk that broke his sacred vows. It tells the tale of a young boy who leaves out to Spain at young age of 14 to seek out fortune in the Spanish colonies. The story follows the boy on his travel, encounters with pirates, how the boy became a soldier, then a monk, and then an archbishop. The strange thing is it was only published 400 years later in 2018. That's because anyone who involved in translating and publishing it met tragic ends, mysterious diseases or accidents. It is believed to be cursed. The Grand Grimoire, sometimes called the Red Dragon or the Gospel of Satan. It is an ancient book thought to hold incredible power that comes with a price. The author of the book claimed to be possessed by the devil himself. The original book is one of the darkest cult books and is dangerous, that it is locked in secret vaults of the Vatican. Not much is known about the text, but it tells about how to summon nasty demons. Anyone who is reading it is offering their soul to the devil. The Book of the Sacred Magic of Abramelin the Mage. It is a 15th century manuscript that was translated to English in 1900. Since held a reputation for being cursed. It is said to be written by Abraham of Risberg after he went on a quest to Egypt, where he met Abramelin, who taught him a secret method of magic. It contains rituals like raising the dead, acquiring treasures, summoning spirits, becoming invisible, and even gaining ability to travel on water and through air. Abraham believed that every person has own unique demon. In his book, he teaches how to summon and control these demons. It is said that anyone who owns it would be haunted by spirits and they would bring terrible luck and early death. Codex Gigas. In 1648, the 30 Years' War was over and the Swedish army looted the city of Prague. They returned home with the loot, and amongst the treasures was a book called the Codex Gigas. It later became to be known as the Devil's Bible. It is said to have written by a monk who broke his vows some point in the 12th century. As punishment, he was put in closed room to ultimately die from starvation. During this period, he decided to write whatever he knew about human race, and on his final night, he still had not finished the book. He summoned the devil to finish the book in exchange for his soul, and was apparently completed by the devil himself. It contains dark images, rituals, and informations about demonic entities. It even contains drawings of the devil himself. It originally had 320 pages, but somewhere along the line, 10 pages were removed. Now comes the mystery or mythical part. According to one version of a legend that was already recorded in the Middle Ages, the scribe was a monk who broke his monastic vows and was sentenced to be walled up alive. In order to avoid this harsh penalty, he promised to create in one night a book to glorify the monastery forever, including all human knowledge. Near midnight, he became sure that he would not be able to complete this task alone. So he made a special prayer, not addressed to the gods, but to the fallen angel Lucifer, asking him to help him finish the book in exchange for his soul. The devil completed the manuscripts, and the monk added the devil's picture out of gratitude for his aid. In tests to recreate the work, it is estimated that reproducing only the calligraphy without the illustrations or embellishments would have taken 20 years of non-stop writing.